on YouTube? Hope everybody's having a blessed day. Hey, I got a very special video for you guys. Got this job off my Facebook ads. I'm gonna be cleaning all of this. So the driveway, the house, the fence. It's starting to rain on here, rain on me here. So hopefully we can knock this out as long as there's no thunder. Let me know if you guys, work in the rain. Also, I'd like to know, how much do you guys charge for something like this? So house, the driveway here, all the sidewalks. Let me show you guys around what else. So all of this here, and then we're going to be doing all this little fence. So I hope everybody's doing well. Hey, I got this job through my Facebook ads. If you guys need help with your Facebook ads, you guys can hit me up, 843-888-2371. What we'll do is we'll set up all of your Facebook ads. Me and my business 813 agency will go ahead and get on a strategy call, tell you guys a little bit about my services and how we can go ahead and help your business. So let's go ahead and continue here and show you guys around the full property. Let me know down below in the comments how much you guys would charge for something like this. So we're going to be doing all this 2-story house. Also, all of this fence. Boom. So yeah, you can see here, going to be cleaning all this up. So man, hope everybody's doing well. I've been super busy helping you guys out with the ads, and that's been a blessing. But it's gonna go ahead and get some good content here, clean up all this as well. So just waiting on my crew to show up, and we're gonna go ahead and get into it. God is great. Hope everybody's doing well, and let's go ahead and roll it into the actual time lapse of me doing this job. Hi, my name is John Viet, and I own a pressure washing company here in Tampa, Florida. I also have a YouTube and Facebook where I help people grow their pressure washing business. One of my TikTok videos hit almost 5 million views. First, we lay down our SH. This is to help break down all the mold and mildew. Now I'm putting down my floor machine to break up all the mold, mildew, and dirt. Wow, what a transformation. You can earn anywhere from $100 to $500 for a driveway this size. If you want to know how to start a pressure washing business, follow me on YouTube at John Viet or Instagram at John Viet X. Also have the biggest Facebook group for pressure washing at Pressure Wash Community. See you guys there. Take care. Hey, what's going on, everybody? John Viet here, back with a brand new video. Hope you guys smash that like button. Let's get this video to 100 likes. Hey, hope everybody's having a blessed day and a successful week. Man, I've been so busy with the Facebook ads, helping you guys out. Also, the Facebook ads have been bringing me a ton of business. Here is one of those jobs. If you guys need help with that, send me a message, 843-888-2371. But you can see here, I'm just using the ball valve, getting everything nice and soapy. Also made that video on TikTok. Hope you guys go smash that. And then follow me on Instagram at John Viet X. Send me a DM there if you guys are ready to grow your business as well. Also, if you want to just hit me up directly, text me at 843-888-2371. 843-888-2371. All right, perfect. I think all that SH got to my head. But guys, back with a brand new video. Thank you guys so much for supporting all of my videos. I know you guys are watching, sitting there at home. You're ready to get your pressure washing business started. Go ahead and reach out to me. Let's get everything up and running. If you guys are a seasoned veteran, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. You can see here, just using that 20-inch surface cleaner, BE Whirlaway. Link is down in the description if you guys want to go ahead and copy one. But best investment ever is pressure washer. Get you a nice BE Whirlaway. For the pressure washer, guys, I do recommend a 4 GPM minimum. 4 GPM or better. Also, get you a nice big 20-inch surface cleaner, the BE Whirlaway. They are meant to last for a very long time, made by professionals, so I highly recommend you guys go ahead and get that. So, how to clean concrete. What you want to do is you want to go up and then down in very, very slow. So you want to go up and down in the same pattern as you guys can see here. Now, what happened is we have those very thick black dots that were left over, but you can see here another little round of SH and soap, and that is going to get right taken care of. And you can see here, it looks brand new. So we did this $1,500 job directly. We got this from our Facebook ads. Customer said, hey, John, we need this done. So we went out there today, gave them an estimate today about 1 o'clock, said, you know what, let's go ahead and get it done. Guys, so if you haven't already, subscribe, smash that like button. I've got a lot of great, cool videos coming up. Let me know if you guys like the time-lapse style videos. I've been really putting my heart and soul into this. I, thank God, have hit 10,000 subscribers. You guys are amazing. I love each and every one of you guys, of my subscribers. We did get rained on this job, so it was very black. There was a lot of, right after I recorded that intro there, that huge thunderstorm came in, so we just had to just kind of relax there. But never pressure wash in the thunder, but as long as it's got a little drizzle, you'll be okay. So you guys can see here I'm doing the house wash. Things are going very fast. I like the time-lapse style videos. That way you guys can see the entire thing and you guys don't get bored. But let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see more of. If you guys enjoy the pressure washing help videos, kind of where I go over tips and tricks on how to actually grow your business, or if you just like these style videos where I actually do the work and go ahead and just record myself doing the actual job. So thank you guys. God bless for everybody watching me, and I hope I continue to give you guys the best content here on YouTube. So thankful. Also, join my Facebook group, Pressure Wash Community, and I hope to see you guys there. Take care. Have a blessed day.